Hello everybody, welcome back to a new video. I am Pat from Pat's Path Predictor, and right now I'm making this video for a couple of updates. Number one, a tornado watch has been issued for parts of eastern Arkansas, northeastern Louisiana, northern Mississippi, and southeastern Tennessee, including Memphis, the cities of Memphis, uh, Tu- Tupelo, uh, Pine Bluff. Uh, yeah, this area right here, this is the tornado watch. As you can see from here, there are some severe thunderstorm. There are some severe thunderstorm warnings that are in effect right now, and as you can see, if you take a look on radar, the storms actually are starting to happen. The first storm is on the Louisiana-Arkansas border. The hazards with that include 60-mile-per-hour winds and quarter-sized hail. So if you're in Junction City or El Dorado in Arkansas, just I would be very aware these storms are coming your way. There's another severe thunderstorm warning down near Hermitage in Arkansas, which is in approaching Warren. For this one, the hazards are golf ball sized hail and 60-mile-per-hour winds. So that's that's some larger hail right there that can definitely crack a windshield or some windows and everything. So if you're in that area, if you're in Hermitage or in Warren, I would just stay away from the windows and wait for the storm to pass. But the point is, the storms are starting to fire up. This outbreak is beginning, and it's beginning. It's been raining all morning in parts of Arkansas and Tennessee and everything, but the severe weather is more to the south of it than that. So, with that being said, we have the update from the SPC. The map hasn't updated. They don't update the map every update, but they did issue. Yeah, but they did issue something right here. Something right here. This is pretty much the same thing right here. Tornadoes, damaging thunderstorm gusts, and isolated large hail are possible from parts of the lower Mississippi Valley and into the Tennessee Valley through and southern Appalachians vicinity through tonight. This is the new update right here. Severe thunderstorms are compressed in parts of western Arkansas and southeastern Oklahoma. The air mass behind current activity in central southeastern Arkansas has stabilized the air mass. Thunderstorms in Arkansas and northern Louisiana will continue to move eastward into a destabilizing air mass across central and northern Mississippi. So basically, the area in western in basically the area in western Arkansas and southeastern Oklahoma, that atmosphere is stabilized quite a bit, so that's a good thing. But it is moving into some very unstable air right now in an unstable environment. Those storms are going to start ramping up very shortly, and they're going to start ramping up very shortly. Like I said, there are two severe thunderstorm warnings in effect for now. As still with one at Hermitage or Hermitage or whatever. Basically, it has golf ball size hail and 60-mile-per-hour winds. There were a lot of rain earlier in parts of northern Mississippi. There were some flood warnings issued, but right now the activity is beginning. You can see it. You can see it if you go on radar. You can take a quick look at it, and you'll see those alerts and everything. So yeah, the storms are starting to fire off. The storms are getting are ramping up. Uh, let's see. There we go. Yeah, their storms are ramping up. Memphis, it's getting some rain right now. Nothing severe yet, but the severe stuff is more to this is moving behind. There's some thunderstorms developing in southern Arkansas as well as parts of northwestern Louisiana. And with that being said, this thing's starting to fire off. A tornado watch is issued. A tornado watch, for those of you who do not know, I'm sure you guys do, but a tornado watch is when conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, according to the National Weather Service. The threat for tornadoes, just to make it clear, this is the threat right here. That 10% area with that hatched area right there, that means it's a 10% or greater probability of EF2s to EF5s tornadoes within 25 miles of a point. That 10% expands over there. The hatched area is a very concentrated area, but that tornado watch expands through, once again, through southwestern Tennessee, including Memphis, as well as northern Mississippi, including Tupelo, Greenwood, Greenville, and then into Arkansas, including El Dorado, which is under a severe thunderstorm warning, and Pine Bluff, which, yeah, and then into northeastern Louisiana right here. So this severe weather outbreak is starting to fire up right now. When a tornado warning is issued, be sure to seek shelter immediately. Go to your basement, or if you don't have one, go to the most interior room in your building, such as an interior closet or interior bathroom. The goal is to get more walls away. The more walls you have between you and the outside world, the more protected you are. So, just making this video to update everybody. The severe weather outbreak is starting to fire up a little bit. The weather is moving into an unstable environment right now, so things aren't doing the best right now. Things are starting. But with that being said, I'm gonna wrap up the video right here. This was just a quick update for you guys. I want you guys to stay safe. If there's a tornado warning, seek shelter immediately. There is a good chance of tornadoes happening today, and especially considering that this is this is December of 2021, and we already had a tornado outbreak and a derecho going on. I would take this very seriously. I know this is an enhanced risk area right there, and to some it may not seem like a lot. To some it may seem quite a lot, but judging by what's been going on this month, I would be taking this very seriously. But with that being said, that's the end of the video. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on those notifications for more videos like these. And with that being said, stay safe, everybody, especially this afternoon.